Have you noticed how your stride changes as the years go by? At first, it's subtle. You slow down just a little, you watch the ground more carefully, you look for railings, walls, something, anything solid. And before you realize it, walking isn't automatic anymore. It's cautious. Loss of balance is quiet, but it's one of the leading causes of falls. And a fall can divide your life into before and after. Here's the good news, and this matters. Balance is not something you're born with and then lose forever. It isn't luck, it isn't age, it's a skill. Just like writing, just like swimming. And skills can be rebuilt at 50, 70, even 80 and beyond. Today is about proving that. We're going to do two things. First, you'll test your balance, honestly, safely, and quickly. Second, you'll train it using simple movements that wake up muscles most people haven't used in years. Before anything else, safety first. Stand near a wall or chair. Confidence is great, but balance training is not the place for bravado. If you feel dizzy, grab support immediately. Now let's begin. Balance test 1, the tandem stance. This test shows how well your brain manages balance when your base is narrow. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe like a tightrope. Arms out, back tall, eyes forward. Hold for 30 seconds. If your feet wobble, that's normal. Those tiny stabilizer muscles are waking up. Focus on one spot. Don't turn your head, and if you lose control, grab support. If you held it, excellent. If you couldn't make it 10 seconds, that's not failure, that's information. Now the second test. Only if the first felt manageable. Balance test 2, the Flamingo pose. Stand next to a wall. Lift one leg. You don't need height, just balance. Your standing leg may shake. That's your deep stabilizers turning back on. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. Oxygen matters. The moment your race foot touches down or you grab support, that's your time. This test reveals strength, coordination, and neurological control all at once. Here's how to read your results. Ages 50 through 59, over 30 seconds. 60 through 69, 20 to 25 seconds. 70 to 79, 15 seconds. 80 plus, 5 to 8 seconds is excellent. Wherever you landed, that's your starting line, not your limit. Now we train. Exercise 1, one leg stand. Stand tall, core engaged, shoulders relaxed. Lift one knee slowly. Pause. Lower it slowly, no dropping. This isn't speed, it's control. Common mistakes? Rushing. Letting the hips shift. Think tall. Think steady. 10 reps per leg. Exercise 2, side leg raises. This one prevents sideways falls, the kind that happen unexpectedly. Stand next to a chair. Lift one straight leg to the side. Pause for 1 second. Lower slowly. No swinging, no leaning, no bent knee. Slow movement forces the muscle to work. 10 reps per side. Exercise 3, heel to toe rocks. This is your foundation, the ankles and calves. Hold the chair. Rise onto your toes. Lower. Rock back onto your heels. Smooth, controlled, no momentum. Here's why this matters. Doctors call the calves the second heart. Every contraction helps pump blood back up the body. So this exercise doesn't just improve balance, it supports circulation, heart health, and leg strength at the same time. Exercise 4, coordination cross. This one resets the nervous system. Feet wide, knees soft. Shift weight side to side like a pendulum. If safe, close your eyes. When vision disappears, your balance system learns to work independently. It may feel strange. That's learning happening. Start with 30 seconds. Build to 1 minute. If dizziness appears, stop. No pushing through.
Now, pause for a moment. If you felt unsteady today, that's not weakness. That's your body remembering. Balance improves fast when trained consistently. 15 minutes a day is enough. In a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. Walking feels lighter. Stairs feel less intimidating. Confidence comes back. And that confidence matters. Because balance isn't just about standing upright. It's about independence, freedom, and trusting your body again. You showed up today. You did the work. That counts. Stand tall, move with intention, and remember, strength doesn't disappear with age. It waits to be reclaimed.